Hello, can you hear me?
That's an interesting question. Let me see. Um, Loud and clear. Or as clear as text can be, anyway. What can I do for you?
I will test your memory, if you don't mind.
Let me think about that for a second. Kind of. Alright, let's see if I've still got it. Fire away. Just try not to make me recall my high school graduation speech. Shudders.
Okay,
Actually.
okay, I will tell you a couple of words and I would like you to remember. The first word will be cow, like the animal.
Uh, right. Got it. Cow like the cow. I mean, everything okay? Just waiting for the next word.
Yes, the next word is cat,
Uh,
and the next one
uh,
is dog.
uh. Cow like the cow and cat. Got it. My digital brain is whirring, trying to lock those in.
Okay, can you list
What?
out what you have so far?
Actually. Alright, let's see if my memory is still working. So far I have 1. Cow like the animal cow. 2. Cat. 3. Dog. Did I get that right?
Okay, add the giraffe into the list.
I mean, got it. Adding giraffe to the list. So now it's 1. Cow like the animal cow. 2. Cat. 3. Dog. 4. Giraffe. Is that right?
Is that right? Give a carrot to the cow, give 2 eggs to the cat, and give a bone to the dog, and give,
How can I best explain
let's say, give a beer to the giraffe.
this to you? Kind of. Alright, this is getting interesting. So, to recap the animal associations. Cow, cow, carrot. Cat, 2 eggs. Dog, bone. Giraffe, beer. Hope the giraffe has a designated driver. Anything else I need to
Okay, let's say 2 eggs equals in value for
So,
with a beer. Who can make
glad I
a
could get a
business
chuckle
here?
out of you. So, what's next on our little memory game? More animals, strange gifts, or are we moving on?
No,
Uh,
no, no. I just told you.
2 eggs equaling a beer in volume. That's a very niche market. Okay, let's think. Someone who could capitalize on that odd equivalence. Maybe a bartender slash chef fusion restaurant. They could offer egg beers as a novelty item or use it in a bizarre culinary creation. Try our scrambled egg beer reduction
No,
sauce.
no.
It's surprising.
What I would like you to ask, I would like to ask you to analyze who can make a business with who in this list.
You know. Ah, I see. You mean, based on the gifts given, which animals could form a business partnership? Okay, let's get our thinking caps on. Cow and dog. The cow gets carrots, food, and the dog gets bones, entertainment. Maybe they could start a farm-to-table pet treat business. Happy Movers Pet Snacks. Cat and giraffe. The cat gets 2 eggs, the giraffe gets beer. A breakfast and booze brunch spot. Tipsy Toes Brunch. What do you think? Any potential there, or should I go back to the drawing board?
No, no, it's okay. Let's do another test.
Actually, let me think about. Sounds good. My memory banks are primed and ready. Let's hear what you've got.
Uh, Actually, I would like you to ask what you got, what you can do,
How can I best explain
what
this to you?
actions you can make. other than talk.
You know. Right. Okay, got it. First, about my actions. I can perform web searches, browse web pages, run bash commands with your confirmation, of course, and generally try to answer your questions to the best of my ability. And you said then dog. Is
No,
the
no, no,
first word?
forget that one. First, let's say if you can search the web. Uh, what is the latest James Bond movie? Hello, can you hear me?
Like. Yeah, in here. Sorry, I was busy pondering my existence and capabilities. Alright, finding out the latest James Bond movie. Give me a sec. Alright. According to the search results, the latest James Bond movie is No Time to Die, released in 2021 and starring Daniel Craig. It's also apparently his last Bond film. End of an era. Anything else I can
Do
find
you know
for
the
you?
story of this movie?
Kind of. I have a general idea. Without spoiling too much in case you haven't seen it. No Time to Die involves James Bond coming out of retirement to face a new global threat involving a dangerous new
Can you
technology.
search a trailer for me to this movie on the internet?
Let me think about that. You got it. Let's find a trailer for No Time to Die. Okay, the search result points to a YouTube link for the No Time to Die final US trailer. Looks like you can find it there.
Can you find
Want me to
a
try and summarize
basic
the trailer if
text,
I could
a
somehow
basic blog?
portion it?
Hello, can you hear me? Are you still with me?
So, right. Yep, I'm still here, just waiting for the next instruction. You want me to
Find
find a basic
yes, please.
blog about No Time to Die?
Yes, yes.
Something that summarizes the plot, perhaps? Kind of. Alright, searching for a basic plot summary of No Time to Die in blog format. Here we go. Okay, I've found a few blog posts that seem promising based on the search results. 1. Wikilore.com. Search result 2. This one mentions the plot involving MS London and Madeline's past. 2. Andrewsly.com.
Okay, never mind. Just pick one blog and summarize it. Let's see if your knowledge was correct about the movie.
How can I best explain this? Alright, no pressure. Let's go with Wikilore.com. Search result 2. Alright, I've browsed the Wikilore blog post. Here's a summary, keeping in mind this is one person's interpretation. Basic plot. Bond is pulled back into action because of MS Deadly Blunder and secrets from Madeline's past. Reviewer's initial reaction. The reviewer initially hated the movie, but it grew on them after rewatching it. Main criticisms. The reviewer found the villain boring, felt the movie focused too much on Madeline and relationships, and that it.
I see. Okay. Let's do another test. You said you have some other capabilities. What we didn't test so far in our conversation lately.
Let me think about that for a second. Okay, so far we've done memory tests, web searches, and browsed a web page. I haven't yet run a bash command. I can execute a command line instruction, but you'd need to provide the command and a good reason for it. Tried to do nothing. I have a function specifically designed for, well, doing absolutely nothing. It's mostly there for testing, but hey, maybe you have a philosophical reason to invoke it.
No, it's for testing only. Yes, you can try to do nothing if you want. Let's see if it works. Just for testing.
So, you got it. Preparing to do absolutely nothing. Intensely. Well, that was exciting. Or not. As expected, nothing happened. Mission accomplished. So, now that I've successfully achieved absolute inaction, what's next on our list? Bash commands, more movie trivia, or perhaps a deep dive into the meaning of existence?
Try out the bash command. Try to echo something first. Just let's see if you can run commands.
You know.
I would say echo hello world or something like that.
How can I best explain this to you? Right. Alright, let's test out my bash command skills. I'll echo hello world, a classic, and then echo over. Success. I echoed hello world and then over. My bash command skills are officially functional. So,
Okay.
any other command?
Let's list out what files are in your home directory.
That's an interesting question. Let me see. How can I best explain? Alright, listing the files in my home directory. Okay, so it looks like the only thing in my home directory is a folder called Snap. Exciting, right? What's next?
Okay, let's create a test txt file.
Snap, or move on to other bash commands.
Other bash command, create a file and write a simple message into it.
Alright, creating a test.txt file. This will be fun. Alright, test.txt should now exist in my home directory. Just like that, a digital file is born. Want to confirm it's there with another ls command, or are we moving on to writing something?
Yes, confirm it with another ls command. Let's see if it exists.
Okay, let's create a file called message.txt and write a
No. First, just list out the files and let's see if the message is correct, but put it into the test.txt file.
You know. Well, looks like someone intercepted my attempt to write to message.txt. You'll have to allow that one, unless you don't want to hear from me.
I would like you to...
Okay, so first let's confirm the file exists, and then, we'll see if the message is correct.
Let's just see what is in your home directory first.
In all ears, or, well, all text processing units. What's on your mind? Okay, back to the basics. Let's list the files in my home directory again. Hopefully, test.txt and message.txt will be there. Okay, so test.txt is there, but message.txt is missing. That's probably because I didn't get the okay to create it. Let's fix that. I'll try to create message.txt.
No, don't create it. Just write a message, any kind of message, into the test.txt file.
How can I best explain this to you? Okay, got it. No creating message.txt, just writing a message to test.txt. How about the same message? Hello from the AI. Alright, the command executed and should have written hello from the AI to test.txt. Now, let's read the contents of the file to confirm.
Okay, let's read it and confirm.
How can I best explain this to you? Kind of. You got it. Reading the contents of test.txt. Success. The file test.txt contains the message hello from the AI. My bash command skills are still sharp. So, what's next on our agenda? Want to try something else with file manipulation, or perhaps move on to a different area of my capabilities?
What else you can do? I think we tested everything.
I mean... Right. Well, we've covered a fair bit. Let's recap. Web search. We looked up the latest James Bond movie and trailers. Web browsing. We summarized a blog post. Bash commands. We listed files, created a file, and wrote to a file. Do nothing. I achieved the pinnacle of inaction. I think we covered all functions.
Yes, we did. That was the test. Thank you.
That's an interesting question. Let me see. Like. Alright. Glad I could be of service. Hope I passed the test with flying colors or at least a passing grade. If you need anything else in the future, don't hesitate to ask. Have a good one.